ANCEL AD410 is a great upgrade from the more basic car code reader, read and erase codes when the check engine light comes on. It shows real-time live data reported by the ECU, engine temperature, O2 sensor readings, etc. Even a beginner can use this unit to find out what the problem is, saves the trips to the mechanic. Works with English, German, French, Spanish, Finnish, Dutch, Russian and Portuguese. It does not require any battery or charger, gets the power directly from the OBD2 data link connector in your vehicle. The OBD2 port is often under the dash, or under a panel below the handbrake in the center console. Simply plug into the OBD2 port on your car and turn the ignition on and you're ready to go. The fault causing the fault code to show will need to be repaired first, then the code can be erased. Provides lifetime, free software update to fix the latest bugs and add newly DTC or parameters. Just download the software from ANCEL website, then follow on-screen instructions to go. Please note, after plugged into the computer with USB cable, the LCD screen will not light up until the update is finished.